Hello, and welcome to Beginner Woodworking class number 10, Building a Simple Jewelry Box. I've been seeing this beautiful faux pearl inlay on mirrors and dressers lately, and I thought a small keepsake box would be the perfect place to try out this effect. I'm amped to make this easy build with you today, and I hope you'll join along as we learn step by step how to build and paint a simple jewelry box. I'm SoCal Wood Gal, and I'm a creator in sunny Los Angeles. I've been building and crafting wooden objects, large and small, for over a decade, and I am obsessed with passing on my love of carpentry through accessible, fun, and engaging classes that will help you tackle whatever project you dream of. I've been featured in Family Handyman for my one-woman kitchen remodel, and I've been teaching on Skillshare since 2019. I hope you'll join me on a journey of empowerment and skill building as we create what we've imagined, project by project. In this beginner-friendly class, we'll learn the following: types of jewelry boxes and modifications we can make, designing our box, materials and supplies needed, making our cuts, assembling our box, finishing our box, and final thoughts. This class is aimed at students with a basic understanding of woodworking. Access and experience using power tools is recommended, but it is not required. Some basic tools are necessary: eye, ear, lung protection, sander or sandpaper, gloves, paintbrush or sponge brush, miter, jig or handsaw, brad nailer or hammer and nails, drill and drill bits, wood glue, clamps, paint, and stain. We'll also be using a pearlescent mixing medium and stencils, either homemade with a paper cutting machine or traced by hand or purchased. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive on in and learn how to make a simple jewelry box.